Hello everyone, my name is Urvisha Patel, working as an assistant professor in Computer Engineering Department at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. In this video, we are going to learn Unit number 2 JDBC Programming of subject Advanced Java Programming. Outlines are JDBC components, JDBC package, JDBC connectivity steps, JDBC program. Let's start with JDBC components. JDBC API provides the following interfaces and classes for Java database connectivity. Driver manager class, driver interface, connection interface, statement interface, and result set interface, SQL exception. These all interfaces and classes are available in java.sql package. Driver manager is used to connect your Java application with correct JDBC drivers. It keeps track of the drivers that are available. Driver interface handles the communication with the database server. Driver interface provides vendor-specific implementation of the abstract classes provided by the JDBC API. Connection interface is a one type of session between your Java application and database. Connection interface contains all methods for connection. Next is statement interface. This interface is used to submit SQL queries to the database. These queries we need to store in statement object. Result set interface. Result set is a logical set of columns and rows. You can save your data extracted from the database through query to the result set. SQL exception. SQL exception handles errors that occurs in your database application. So total 6 components of java.sql package: driver manager class, driver connection statement, result set interface, and SQL exception. JDBC package. For Java database connectivity, we are using java.sql package. All the classes and interfaces are available in this package. If you want to do code for server-side database, or if you want to write servlet application, then we need to use javax.sql package. This package contains core Java objects of JDBC API. It also includes Java data objects that provides basics for connecting to the database and for interaction with the database. Java.sql package performs all JDBC operations such as connectivity, creating statement, execute query, store data in the result set, and close the connection. Steps of JDBC connectivity. Total 7 steps are there. Step 1, import package. Step 2, loading JDBC driver. Step 3, establish a connection to DBMS. Step 4, create the statement. Step 5, execute the statement. Step 6, process the result set. And last step, terminate the connection with DBMS. These are the steps of JDBC connectivity. Let's start with step 1. It is import package. Code is import java.sql.star. If you want to do servlet program, we need to import javax.sql.star. Next step, loading JDBC driver. For loading driver, we need to use class.forName method. It creates an instance of the driver. One method is available for registered driver. This method will be called by driver manager class. Syntax of loading JDBC driver is class.forename. Write down in bracket com.jdbc.odbc.jdbc odbc Class is used to represent classes and interface in running Java application. Forename is method. It represents the class object associated with the class or interface with the given string name. Here we had passed one string. Forename method used for loading class dynamically. Com is the main package. Next is sub packages JDBC and ODBC. And last one is used to initiate driver at runtime. Step number 3. Establish a connection. After loading a driver, we can establish a connection using driver manager class. This class is available in java.sql package. Methods of driver manager class. First is public static connection, get connection, string URL, throws SQL exception. If any queries or any problem available in this method, this exception will be handled by SQL exception class. Here, instead of string URL, we need to pass database name in particular format. In previous video, we had learned about different types of format, different type of URL we need to pass according to their databases. So first method is connection, get connection. This method is used to do connection with a given database URL. This URL we are passing in this bracket. Driver manager attempt to select an appropriate driver from the set of registered JDBC driver. Driver manager class is used to connect your Java application with correct JDBC driver. Public static connection, get connection. Another method, string URL, string username, string password, throws SQL exception. As a argument, you can pass database name in particular format, username and password of your database. So first is import package, second is load driver, third one is establish a connection. For connection, we need to use connection interface of java.sql package. Syntax is connection space object. Cn is the object of connection interface. Connection space cn is equal to driver manager dot get connection bracket database URL, username and password. Example of connection cn driver manager dot get connection. Here we are passing database URL. This is the syntax of access database. ODBC colon here JDBC colon ODBC colon data source name comma username and password. After connectivity, next step is create the statement. We are creating the statement to fire SQL query, to execute SQL query. To execute SQL statement, the statement interface methods are used. Statement space st statement object is equal to connection object dot create statement. Create statement throws SQL exception and creates a statement object for sending SQL statement to the database. Here we mapped connection object with create statement method. So now onwards we will use st to execute or update a query. Execute the statement. For statement execution we have three different methods. St is our statement object. Three methods are execute query, execute and execute update. Execute query method is used when we need to return a single result set. Execute method used to execute any type of SQL statement which may return multiple results or values. Execute update method. String SQL means here we are passing SQL query. Execute update method used to execute SQL statements that modify a table or values of columns. This method returns the number of rows affected. If we execute DDL statement, DDL statement means create statement. DDL means data definition language. If we want to use create statement, if we used create statement, then this method return 0 because we are not updating any rows, any columns in the database table. So total three methods. Execute query, it is for single result set. Execute, we can execute any type of SQL statement. And execute update method. If we want to update any data in the database, then we need to use execute update method. This method returns number of rows affected and it will return 0 in case of DDL statement. Next step, execute the statement. Syntax is here, this is the statement object st dot execute query. Here we need to pass queries and this code st dot execute query will be saved in result set object. What is result set? It is a logical set of columns and rows. Data which we are getting from the table are stored in RS result set object. Example, result set space object is equal to statement object dot execute query select star from student. Here we are selecting all the data from student table and storing the result in RS. Result set is a logical set of columns and rows. Here we have three columns: enrollment number, name and branch in student table. Select star from student means we are fetching whole table, whole student table and store the result in result set object. So this table is virtually stored in RS. Here the query is still select star from student where enrollment number is equal to 601 or enrollment number is equal to 602. Means we are fetching two rows from the table with enrollment number 601 and 602. So only two rows we are fetching. These two rows are saved in result set object, result set RS. Next step, process the result set. Data which we have stored in the result set object, that data we will print as a output. These are the result set methods. First is Boolean next throws SQL exception. Next method is used to move the cursor forward one row from its current position. Using this method, we can check that if data is available in the result set or not. String get string integer column index. If we want to retrieve data from the result set, we need to use get method. String get string column label. Here we had passed column index means column number. Here we are passing column label means column name. It retrieves the value of the designated column in the current row of the result set object. Get integer. This method returns the integer in the current row in the specified column index. Get integer string column label. Column label means column name. It retrieves the value of the designated column in the current row. Example, here we have two variables, string names and double salary. While rs.next, next is a boolean method. If data is available in the result set object, then it will go to the code. Names, string names is equal to result set object dot get string column number 1. Here we have two column, names and salaries. So 1 means first column, names. We are getting names and storing in names variable. Next is double salaries is equal to result set object dot get integer salary. Here we are passing column name. So from salary column we are getting the value and store in salary variable. Next is we are printing the names and salaries. System.out.println names and salary. One return the value of specified column number and salary returns the value of specified column name. Last step is terminate the connection. If we are not using result set, statement and connection, then it is appropriate to close all the interfaces and all the classes. To release the objects, we have close method. Result set object dot close, statement object dot close, connection object dot commit. Here I used commit method. Commit method is executed to commit all the transactions that have been made through the connection. After commit operation, cn.close method is used. Example of Java database connectivity. First is import java.sql.star import package. Next is load driver code class.forename bracket sun.jdbc.odbc.jdbc odbc driver. Third step, get connection. Create a connection. For connection, get connection method is available. Connection space object is equal to driver manager dot get connection. Next step, create a statement. Create statement method is used for create a statement. Statement st is equal to connection object dot create statement. Execute the statement. We have three methods for statement execution: execute, execute query and execute update. Result set rs is equal to statement object dot execute query. Next step is result handling. While rs.next, we are printing here rs.getString, means from column number 1 we are getting the value and printing. Close the statement. Statement object dot close. Close the connection. cn.commit and cn.close. These are the steps and example of Java database connectivity. Thank you.